these past 30 days has really showed me that it really just takes you following your rules to really turn your life around. You know, I can't celebrate yet until I get my payout, but I'm very, very close to my first payout, and I'm just very, very grateful for how far I've come, because I'm not gonna lie, just thinking about it, like just a month ago, I was in a pretty deep spot or pretty bad spot, and yeah, it's just crazy that, you know, I'm very, very close to getting my first 10K month, and I'm just very grateful. You know, if you guys been watching me, what is up, guys? It is James, and I am back with another video. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was pretty emotional this morning. I kind of just wanted to hop on and make a little video kind of reflecting on this past month, because if you guys didn't read the title, I'm 1 day away from from my first ever payout. I took a winning day trade today. Let me show you guys real quick. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's not gonna focus, but I'll put a screenshot. But yeah, had a winning day today, $150 crossed on my accounts, and that puts me at 4 out of 5 winning days that I need to get my first ever singular play. And yeah, I kind of just wanted to go over my thoughts on how far I've come, because if you haven't been watching my channel, not too long ago, about a month ago, I posted a video how I blew my fund accounts, and I may have not shown it in that video, but I was in a pretty bad mental spot when the time that I blew my fund accounts. You know, I was really contemplating, and I was pretty lost, you know, in trading. I was really contemplating if I wanted to, you know, continue trading, or if this trading was going to work out for me. And, you know, I had some deep self-reflection during that time, you know, and yeah. And then I didn't give up. I'm very grateful I didn't give up, because like I've said before, I've come too far just to give up. And I kind of just want to tell you guys, like, you just need to stay patient with the process of learning trading, because learning trading does have a learning curve. And when you start understanding it, you know, the trajectory of it is kind of like, it's kind of like this, you know, just starts going up, and it's never just a constant straight up. It's going to be lows and deeper lows, and then when it starts all clicking, it's going to go up kind of like that. You know, things can change really, really fast. You know, I feel like this past month has really, really changed a lot for me, and I'm kind of glad that I blew my fund accounts, because I feel like I had to go through that to really learn, you know, because after I blew those fund accounts, I really locked in with the trading, you know, and I really started controlling my emotions, really started staying disciplined and trying to stay patient with the setups that I do take, and really just learning from blowing those accounts. Like, why did I blow those accounts? What setups were I taking when blowing those accounts? Why was I taking those setups? And this past week, you know, it has really shown me the power of being patient, because if you don't know, the first 2 weeks of September were pretty bad. There was really, if you trade, you know, the first 2 weeks of September, there wasn't really the greatest price action, and I kind of just stayed out the markets. I didn't really take any big trades. I didn't get any big trades because there really wasn't anything there to take. And If you've been watching my trade recaps, you would know this week and then last week, I got a big trade on last Friday, and then I got a big trade on Monday. And that has put me at a balance where, I could get a decent sized payout. I'll be transparent with you guys right now. I'm at a balance of around $2,200 right now on my 50K account. So if I get one more winning day, like just go for a winning day, that would put me at a balance of like 2,400, and I can take 1,200 out of each of those accounts. So that'd be a 5,000. That'd be like a $6,000 payout, which is not too bad. But I want to get to a 4K balance before I take a payout, and then withdraw 2,000 at least, and have a $2,000 buffer when I take those payouts, and that would put me at a 10K payout, which is pretty big for just your first singular payout. But I'm going for a 4K balance, so I need 2 to 3 more trades before I take an actual payout. And who knows when I'll get those trades. I just gotta stay patient. Like I've said, the first 2 weeks I didn't take a trade, and then look what's happened within 2 days. I took a trade last Friday, and I took a trade on Monday, and those were 2 pretty solid trades that put me up on my accounts. And who knows, it's September 25th right now, and there's 3 more days left in the month of September. So who knows what's going to happen within those months. Maybe I get a trade tomorrow, and maybe I get a trade on Monday, and then maybe that puts me at balance of over 4K. Who knows? But that might be unlikely, because there were some good opportunities this week. And I trade low frequency, I trade continuations, and not many opportunities present themselves each week. I usually there might be like 2 opportunities. There's a good trade today that I unfortunately missed out on, but I didn't crash out and revenge trade for missing it. I would have revenge traded, old me would have revenge traded, but today I just decided to risk small and just go for a winning day, and I came out with a winning day, $150, and I'm happy. I'm growing as a trader, and I'm just staying disciplined, not crashing out, not trying to tilt when trading. And yeah, who knows what's going to happen within these next 3 days of September. I may not get any opportunities, and that's totally okay, but I'm not going to chase setups and try to just get a big trade so I can try to get a 10K month in September. Who knows, maybe I'll get one big trade October 1st, and then that allows me to take a 10K payout. So kind of just want to reflect on how far I've come the past month. All of trading is all psychological. I always repeat that, because it really is psychological. You might have a strategy, but if you can't stay disciplined and not act on your emotions when trading, then you're just going to end up blowing your accounts and making irrational decisions when trading. And that is what I was doing a month ago. But yeah, that is all I really have to say. These past 30 days has really showed me that it really just takes you following your rules to really turn your life around. I can't celebrate yet until I get my payout, but I'm very, very close to my first payout, and I'm just very, very grateful for how far I've come, because I'm not gonna lie, just thinking about it, like just a month ago, I was in a pretty deep spot, or pretty bad spot, and yeah, it's just crazy that I'm very, very close to getting my first 10K month. And I'm just very grateful, if you guys been watching me since I blew my accounts, or like if you just started watching me this week, I'm kind of just documenting my journey, and I just want to show you guys what's possible. And trading is very, very possible. You can really make life-changing money, good money with trading. And it's really, really hard. Not everyone can do it, but if you really put your mind to it and don't give up when you're learning, it's definitely possible. So if you guys haven't already, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Hopefully next video you guys see me is, a big trade and possibly a payout, if I take one. But hopefully within the next couple of videos you do see me taking that payout, which I'm very excited about. But like I've said, I can't get too excited yet. I just gotta make sure I don't tilt and blow these set of accounts. And yeah, that is all I really have to say for you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Kind of just yapped this video, but it was just kind of my thoughts after taking this winning day. I'm one day away from being able to be eligible to take a payout. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. I won't hold you guys longer. Make sure you like the video if you haven't, and make sure you subscribe so you can watch me take my next payout, my first payout. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.